Hello! In this tutorial you'll see how the Microsoft Narrative Builder creates an outline for you and then creates a presentation out of it. Let's jump into the lecture. You see this beautiful empty PowerPoint slide. If you want to start creating with the Microsoft Narrative Builder, you can click on the Copilot icon here above the slide. It's called the Skittle by the Microsoft team unofficially, and you can select Create a Presentation About. This will take you to this separate screen where you can input the topic of your presentation. I will select Create a Presentation About Beginner's Guide to Cyber Security. Alright, and I'll hit play and allow Microsoft Copilot to draft an outline of the presentation. You can see he works very quick. You can read through the outline, you can move topics within the outline, and you can add new topics. For example, if you are talking about cybersecurity, let's add a segment about protecting your local area network. All right, he will add a topic regarding your main presentation topic right between those slides. Okay, I have an outline prepared and I will select Generate Slide. The Microsoft Narrative Builder will create a title slide, an agenda slide, and sections which explain the topics that were listed before. Each of the sections will start with a header slide and with a subsequent slide explaining this section. This is the great feature about the Narrative Builder, that he structures your presentation. You can see this is a ready presentation that he created. As I mentioned, the title slide, the agenda slide, the title slide for each section, and then 3 slides explaining each section. We had several of those topics outlined, and he created a presentation about everything. This would be a perfect starting point for your presentation. The first slide is even animated. I'm talking to Microsoft and giving them suggestions whether we should have animations here or not. Perhaps in the future we will have that. You can select which slides should be animated, or if you want the entire presentation animated. Now, this would be a perfect starting point for your presentation. The problem here is that the presentations look very similar all in all, but you can always click on the Microsoft Designer and get a few iterations of this slide so it looks a bit different. The picture will be somewhere different and the text will be also placed somewhere else. Microsoft Designer isn't perfect, but it can give you some variety within the slides. This is a basic core way how the Microsoft Narrative Builder works currently in PowerPoint. If you would like to know more about Microsoft Copilot, I have a dedicated special course about this topic where I share the newest possible informations that I'm available to share. I'm on the Microsoft Creators Program, and there I talk to the Microsoft development team of Copilot directly, where we brainstorm on new features and the future changes of Copilot. If you are a PowerPoint designer, you should be aware of that, and you should adjust your designs to also work with that. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next tutorial.